After a 22-month absence, Elena Deladon returns to a basketball court in her home state, leading the Blue Hens to a 67-50 win over Navy. In front of the second largest crowd ever to watch a women's basketball game in UD history, the 2008 Ursuline Academy grad, who sat out last season after abandoning a scholarship at the University of Connecticut, poured in 26 points to lead all scorers. Deladon was one of 3 Blue Hens to score in double figures. Fellow redshirt freshman Danielle Parker had 13, and junior Tessia Harris had 12. Kristen Bowen came off the bench to lead Navy with 15, all from three-point range. The Lady Midshipmen have lost 2 of their last 3 games this season and 3 straight to the Lady Blue Hens. Delaware is 5-3 and has won 3 in a row. They're back in action hosting LaSalle Explorers at the Bob Carpenter Center on Sunday afternoon. Reporting from Newark, Lee St. John, 11:50 a.m., WDEL Sports.